What's going on, guys? I got a lot of comments on my pipe cutter on the last video, so I figured I'd shoot a quick video about them and do a little tool review. It's General Pipe Cleaners. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. Auto Cut. I've got it off Amazon. I think they're about 20 bucks, and this is a 3/4 cutter. They got all different sizes. I'll leave links to them in the description below in this video. But yeah, you just open it up, clamp it around the pipe, and start turning, and it'll cut it for you. I'll do a demonstration here on this 3/4 pipe here, copper pipe. Yeah, I'm not sure if it works on the soft drawn HVAC copper. I don't have any here to try that on. Alright, we got it clamped around. You just start turning. Clamps around nice and snug, so it won't start corkscrewing on you. It's awesome, man. I love it. Yeah, it makes a nice, smooth, clean break. I love it, man. And again, I'll leave a link to where you can get one in the description below on this video. This is a 3/4, but I'll leave links to all the different sizes, 1/2 inch and everything else. You can have one delivered to your house. Alright, thank you all for watching. Dirty Maintenance Show.